Yo, is this better? Dude, this used to be a storage room that I'm in. So I moved into my house and this was originally a storage room that I'm in. And my office was on the other side of the house. And then not too long ago, I moved into this room. I just got rid of enough shit to put my desk in it, is what I did. And my next project is to change this storage room into a real office. Yeah. Yeah. So this room was actually, it's a nice room. It's a bedroom with a full bath. I got a shower in here, bathroom, shower. We back. So it's definitely pretty cool, but I got a lot of shit to fix in here. So this weekend I'm going to set up OBS is what I'm going to set up, and we'll see how that goes. That's the plan. I guess. Does it look? I mean, I guess it's streaming better. I have it up on my other screen. It's not buffering. There might have been something open on my computer that's causing that, and I just need to restart it every once in a while just to clear the internet cache. Yeah, I have it on my computer. I'm probably gonna play with it. Look at this shit. Look, I literally got sold out at the fucking top. I literally got sold out at the fucking top. Yeah, streaming games to Twitch. Yeah. I got to I'll probably set it up. What's up? What's up, Joyce? But yeah, I'm probably going to set up OBS this weekend. So we'll see what happens. We'll do it for Monday. Oh man. I can't believe they fucking wicked me out like that. What's LTE? Isn't that the service of your cell phone? What's up, Turtle Sniper? Why? What's LTE? Where are you seeing LTE? Limited time erection. What up, Flip? Oh, so these are Lucid accounts. LTE is an eval. This F is a funded. So it's funded, funded, eval, eval, eval. Lucid drops their new plans at 3 o'clock today. FYI. But yeah, am I going to trade a funded account that's $600 away from a payout on Black Friday? Probably not. Probably not. Being honest, I don't want to risk a funded account on a trade setup I probably wouldn't take. The new Lucid accounts are going to be good. They're going to be they're very similar to my funded futures, the new ones. I have Apex accounts. I just got paid a bunch of times from Apex. Yeah, the my funded futures deal is 50% off pro plans. So unless you're going to trade a pro plan, the deal is probably not for you. How do you find them? How do I find what? How do I find Lucid? How do I find Apex? Listen, it is what you get. Like, it's good when they're cheap. I would never buy them at regular price. You know, you got to follow the rules, the day rules, the 30% rule. Like, there's a bunch of rules to not get you paid. But obviously, the perks of them is you could trade a lot of accounts at once. I mean, as an overall firm, Lucid is better. But if you're not getting payouts, I wouldn't spend $78 on an account. I would probably go buy a cheap account like Fideas or something like that. You know, I think it depends on each person is a little bit different. You know, like some people, 30% consistency is no big deal because they're only doing $200 a day. So if you're only doing $200 a day, then you don't care about consistency rules because you're never going to pass it. You're never going to pass 30% consistency rule. So it doesn't matter to you. But like me, I kind of like holding a mini and letting it ride in my funded futures accounts and then get paid. Like, so I like no consistency rules.
Order filled, order filled, order filled, order filled.
Come back up. I think it depends on what type of trader you are, what you like in a plan, and things like that. I think what they mean is you got 36 cents to just pass it, maybe. Yeah, like
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
order filled, order filled, order filled. Yeah, I mean, I would say I don't know where you end on the day. Are you ending on the day up 1,400 bucks, or are you ending the day up $400? Because if you're ending the day up $400, consistency rule doesn't matter to you. Are you getting, are you kind of breaking even or slightly profitable? Then I would say, hey, you could spend money on a $70 account. I would work on strategies that work, and then implement them. And then once you know that you can implement them and get paid, then I get better accounts. Yeah, but like if you're making $1,000 in a day, maybe you want my funded future accounts with no consistency rule. Those lucid accounts are going to have no consistency rule unfunded also, which is really nice. Yeah, so my funded lucid is going to have no consistency rule on funded accounts. So that's going to be obviously nice. Oh. Well, I have 9 funded Apex accounts now. Let's see how long it takes to smoke these. I mean, are there quads even moving around on days like this? Are you even getting oversold or overbought conditions? Or is it just kind of staying in the middle? Or are you just playing, the lower ones? I only say that because I don't even know if it's moving around enough to trigger it. Well, APAS, no, you got to get over 34 cents, man. That's like, will they give me a payout if I'm 18 cents away? And the answer is actually no. If you're 18 cents away, you still need that 18 cents. And the other question is to answer is yes, you can blow an account with 18 cents away from a payout. Been backtesting a breakout strategy. Test results show that I have a win rate over the range of 100 trades at a 3-to-1 risk reward. It shows me being up, but the drawdown would probably well, then you just play lower. Like, what's the drawdown, Steven? You could probably survive the drawdown with 1 or 2 micros. Yo, why didn't I hear order filled? Kind of sucks. I mean, you just got to play the stats, Steven. And if the stats tell you that it works, then that's what you got to go with. You can't worry about anything else. You can't worry about, oh, this, that, the other thing. Like, you just got to focus on your shit. Like, you can't say, if you do the back test, you then can't turn around and be like, oh, well, I'm not going to follow this. You know what I mean? Like, if it works, it works. You kind of get what I mean, right? Actually, that's fucked up. Hold on 1 second. I gotta fucking. There you go. It's all fucked up. Couch boy? I took my AI thing off. You know, like that's why I tell everybody that you got to back test the results. Like if you're not doing the work and back testing, then what are you really trading? You're just kind of like, oh, this guy does this, so I'm going to do that. Like if you don't know the stats, what are you really doing? You know, you should know the numbers yourself from back testing. Otherwise, you're just going off somebody else's word. And like I've done that, like, oh, this guy says this works, and then I do it, and the shit doesn't work. And then I ended up back testing it, and when I back test it, it doesn't work. And I'm like, guy's a fucking liar. You know, because you don't know if he did the back testing. I would say that, you know, I would say that you should know the numbers, you know, and that's the best way to be consistent because you know what the numbers are. There's a lot of different strategies and stuff based around the 5-minute orb, the 15-minute orb, the 60-minute orb. Some guys do the 30-minute. There's a lot of different strategies. I got a ton of back testing videos on them where I back tested and then, you know, gave you my results based on, you know, I don't know, it was like 30, some were like 30 days of data, some were 60 days of data. Some had multiple trades in a day. What up, Waldo? JRC. Joe C. It's Joe to the C. Ho, call me Joe C. This thing's gonna fucking
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I feel I'm gonna be holding this one for a little bit. I actually just scalped with 2 minis this fucking candle. It won't work on your phone? Do you know something about the end of session orb? What's the end of session orb strategy, Simone? What I want to hear what it is. Is it the last 10 minutes of the market? How does that work? I hear all types of strategies for the beginning of the market. He's talking about the boo-boo short play? I don't think so. The boo. It's about breakout of the last candles of the session. Are you asking me what my strategy is, or do you have a strategy that you want to tell me about if I heard about it? I'm not sure. Is it my strategy at the end of the day, or something that you heard about? Because I can go over mine, but if you heard something else, I'm curious what you got. You heard it from a streamer, but he didn't explain it. Yeah, I don't know. The only thing that goes on at the end of the day, they probably got it from us over here, because it's the only time I've ever. There's only one guy. So there's one guy who brought up something at the end of the day. I do not use what he said, but his strategy was, it was the break of the last minute candle of the day, and then he holds for 20 points. And Maria showed me his video, and I back tested it. It was complete. It was garbage. It didn't really work. But it gave me an idea, and that idea spun into what I do today. But it's not what this guy does. Oh yeah, he does the 2-minute orb. I was just saying the general idea, like the market closes, he does the 2-minute orb and then takes the break. But it's not anything that we do. Yeah, whoever's telling you that is probably hanging out on this stream being like, yo, I got something that works, and he's just fucking telling you what goes on over here. That's what it sounds like. That's honestly what it sounds like, Sean. Some guy that probably heard it from here. And no, I don't YOLO the shit out of it. So at the end of trading days, it's algorithmic. So basically at the end of trading days, basically the algos pull their buys, right? So the algo is just, I guess they like shut off. I don't know exactly what happens, but the tape gets really thin about 30 seconds before close. And if the market is going up or like kind of just like this, sometime between 30 seconds and the end of the day, they end up putting in a red, they end up dropping it like 8-10 points. Almost, it happens like, I think I back tested, it was like 74% of the time.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, it's the drift play that we do here every day. And what you get is people that hear it and then try it and not understand it and then tell other people about it, and it becomes a shit show. But what happens is the tape gets thin at the end of the day, and you're able to take advantage of it because there's not a lot of buys and the sells are still coming in like normal, and the buys get turned off. And basically, you're able to take advantage of like 3 to 5 points. I have an account that I started. We're 2 days into it. I only take the drift play, and the account's up like $1,100 and something.
Order filled.
No, I take like literally it's the last candle of the day. I place the trade anywhere between 3:59, 30 seconds, and like 4 o'clock and 5 seconds. If it doesn't happen by 4 o'clock, 5 seconds, I'm out. I take my orders out. But it's a feel play. Like you got to be paying attention and understand what's going on. And I do it live every day, Jonathan. So it's not like
Order filled.
It's not like I'm doing it on another screen somewhere. I do it on the screen so you can see it.
Order filled.
But the what do you call it? I did back test it. That's why I don't take it to the upside. I back tested it. It works 74% of the time. I used FX replay. I'll show you FX replay if you've never seen it before.
Order filled.
I'll show you right now. I'll go to it. I got all types of strategies I've back tested. I'm not just yeah. Trying to think about they switched the fucking platform up. Here you go. So here's my back testing results. You can see I back tested. I started in May. So I did half of May, all of June, July. The win rate was 59%, right? But if you look, my win rate to the buy side was only 35%. My win rate to the sell side is 74%. So I now only take to the sell side. So I eliminated all of this garbage, and now I have a 74% win rate. And there's more sell trades than buy trades. So that worked out also. You can see the win rates on the stuff. You gonna do it?
Order filled.
So anyways, yeah. I backtest a lot of things, man. I don't know how long you guys spend, but I usually go on a tear and I'll backtest a lot of things at once. And then it just kind of gives me insight on the market. Like, hey, is this a good trade? Is this a bad trade? Like, you want to have the data. If you don't have the data, I mean, I don't know what you're looking at. And I'm being honest about it. Yo, what up, Discipline? You know what I'm saying, though? Like, if you're not back testing this shit, then what are you going off of when you buy and sell is what I should, How about 1 minute candle on market open? Well, I mean, there's so many things that you can do with it. Are you trying to play the breakout where it keeps going? Are you trying to play the break and then it comes back through? Are you playing the break where it comes up, goes over the 1 minute, but then breaks to the other side, which is the second break? Because that's a strategy. You know, there's so many different strategies that you could play with the 1 minute candle. Yeah, Steven, exactly. You know what the numbers are. But you know overall. So put it like this. Say I tell you a great strategy that I use, right? And it works 60% of the time. You can get it 60% of the time it wins. And you can get a 1.5 R out of it, right? Which is like printing money, right? 60% of the time you can get 1.5 R. If I tell you this strategy, don't show you any numbers, I just tell you about it. Now you go on your own and you do the strategy and it loses 4 straight days. You're going to stop doing the strategy because you're going to be like, yo, this shit doesn't work. I just lost 4 days in a row, right? But because I back tested it and I know the numbers, I know over time that this strategy works, right? And I will continue making money on it. And what I'm talking about is my opening strategy. 60% of the time it works. You can lose four times in a row. But I know over the course of time, I get paid on it. But no, I've done a lot of stuff, a lot of these tests, man. I have a ton of different shits. Like, here's one 90% win rate. Let's see what else I got. That's a 90% win rate one. Here's a 1 minute strategy. Let's see what this 1 minute was. See, I did a 1 minute strategy. It was up and then it just kind of floundered. You know, it's one of those things, though, like you got to put the time in. If you don't put the time in, A, you're not going to trust it. And you're just not going to know what it is. FX replay is the best because you place the trades on the chart and then it filters through and it shows you everything. %60 of the time works 100%. Yeah. Yeah, Steven, but you got to get a general. So, okay, say I tell you about a strategy, right? You're just going to waste days going forward, and then it's going to be like, yo, the strategy doesn't work. At least if you back test it, you know if it's a valid strategy or not, right? So what I normally do is I'll back test a strategy for like 30 to 60 days. And I'll be like, okay, the strategy works. Then I take it and I'll forward test it for like another week or two in the live market. And I'll be like, okay, it doesn't work, but this is why it's not working. But at least if you back test, you have a valid strategy that you could figure out today that has a good chance of continuing to work. So I don't know why you wouldn't back test. Yeah. Fucking morons telling you not to backtest. Why wouldn't you backtest to make sure it worked? Why wouldn't you want to know that your strategy worked? Because then you're forward testing some strategy you have no idea even has good data on it or not. I've seen some good strategies, but then also comes in the mental side. Like you had that strategy that's like 3-1, right? If you win 35% of the time, dude, that might lose 10 times in a row. I mean, and then you got to sit there mentally and be like, is the 11th time the time it wins? Is the 12th, to me, I'm not a big guy on like 3-1 R type plays where it wins 30% of the time. I'm more like, I need this to win like 50% of the time with like a 2-1 R. Or like 55, 60% with like 1.5 R. I would rather take a higher win rate with less risk reward. So at least my drawdown does not get lower and lower and lower. Yeah, and I'll be honest with you, Steven, like you're out there then trusting some random dude on the Reddit. Unless he can show you like an actual back test, I wouldn't trust shit. Yeah, they don't want you to find out that they're scamming you. I don't know. I'm big on back testing and seeing what my strategy would have done in the last. So you got to remember, markets change, right? Today's market is not the same market as the summertime. The summertime market isn't the same as it was in April. So things do change. That's typically why I go back 30, 45 days. And then anything kind of before that, I'm kind of like, well, market was a little bit different then. I use FX replay. I use this. And it gives you all this like total winners, total losers, max winners, max losers, like in a row. Days of the week it's good, days of the week it's not good. Like that was I'll sometimes back test, and after 10 days, if the strategy's not good, like if it's just losing, I'm pretty much fucking done. Yeah, Steven. So like something like that, maybe you just play one micro and you just say, hey, fuck it. I'm going to play one micro and whatever happens, happens. And then over time, if you see that it's working, you can go to 2 micros and build up. But I wouldn't be playing heavy on something like that. I've got some oceanfront property for sale in Oklahoma. I mean, if it works, play one micro, Steven. What do you got to lose? Dude, this feels like it's going to rocket up. All of a sudden, it's just flickering. Somebody just come out and say something. Holy fuck. Bro, I haven't looked at my personal portfolio all day. Bro, the shit's up $4,650. In 4 hours, I might have to go to the hospital if it's not down by then. Dude, that's crazy. Yeah, so then what you got to implement, Steven, is a trail. You got to say, hey, when it gets within 30 ticks from my back, from my back test, I move up to 50% or whatever it is. So if you get right there and it reverses, you at least make something. Do I know if Replicanto's having some type of sale? I'll look. So all I know is I'll look on my thing. Hold on one second. I just know Cove 20 saves you 20%. So I'm just going to look. If it's any more than 20%, I'll let you know. I'm trying to log in. So I'm looking for coupons. So the sales that they're running, I only see 20%, code Cove 20. And I'm on their website and they're not advertising any fucking Black Friday sales. I don't see any Black Friday sales on their website. So that's what it is to save 20%. If you find one, I'm on their website. I don't see any big Black Friday deal. If you want, you should wait until Cyber Monday, because what's the difference if you buy it today or Monday, and see if they run a Cyber Monday deal? Because you'd be kicking yourself in the ass if you bought today and they ran a deal on Monday. So I would just wait it out until Monday. Fidias is running 90% off. My funded futures is 50% off pro plans. Lucid is dropping new plans today at 3 o'clock. There's a couple of them. I'm trying to think. Alpha Futures is running some type of plan that's like money off. Bulenox is 85. That's kind of whack. I don't think Trade Day even fucking did anything. I've been posting them all right there. What? It's Trade Day running anything special? Trade. I don't think so. No, Trade Day is not even running anything. It sucks. It sucks because their evals suck. I'm trying to think what else is being run. Yeah, there's nothing. There's Take Profit Trader was at 40%, not at 30%, but you get your eval money back with a payout. But I thought 40% was better. Funded Next sucks. Tick Tick Trader can't even pay their Tradeivate bill, so I wouldn't buy an account with them. That's for Replicanto, Eric. That's only for Replicanto, Cove 20. Replicanto's been the best copy trader for me personally, just an FYI. Just throwing it out there. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to go live on my other channel, and I'm going to test out OBS, by the way. I might only be live for a half hour. I'll go over stocks and shit, but that's my plan. I'm going to test out. I'm going to test that out. I want to see if we hold this or we come back down, but I think we're going to continue up here. We got out of this big order block. Now we retested it.
Order filled, 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 order filled.
Come on, push it and get me out of this shit. Yo, you like that you like that. That's on Replicanto, Dreamer. Only on Replicanto. Or are you just writing Cove 20 because somebody else wrote Cove 20 and you're wondering what it did? It doesn't do anything in Streamlabs. Do not come. Do not come. Come on, give us the bounce.
We did it. We did it, Joe. You're going to be the next president of the United States.
Oh, jeez. Dude, they changed it. Let's see if this one is it.
We did it, Joe.
Yo, it's so funny that this site keeps taking them down because somebody doesn't like others using the site somebody keeps taking them down because they don't like people fucking playing with the voice things on other sites, I would imagine. Fucking hysterical. Come on, baby. Wait, play the other one again? I think this one?
We did it. We did it, Joe.
So you got a 5-minute fair value gap. You got this big ass breaker here holding. You're holding above the previous 4-hour high. I would like to see us bounce right in this range and take out 436 to the upside. Oh, that was the full one. It was, dude, they just took it. Oh, you got to scroll. Oh. I don't know where it went. It's just, dude, they only show a few now. It's kind of weird. I don't know why they're doing that. They have just the we did it now. I think people are getting annoyed and using it as fucking sound bites. Like I'm using it and people get annoyed and probably contact the site. Yeah, it said you're going to be the next president of the United States. Because that's what she actually said afterwards. Yo, you think he was on the phone being like, who? Who? Who's this? What am I going to be? Happy Merry Easter to you too. Oh, I feel bad because he was fucking shot by the end. He was shot. They need to start getting some younger people in, man. They need to get some younger people. I'm not saying he's the guy, but like somebody younger, like Vance is younger. I don't know who the Democrats are going to roll out. Their party got fucked when they did the whole presidential thing. They were talking about putting AOC out. She's not going to win. Merry Easter. Fucking, I don't know. None of them are going to help you out. Just let you know. No government's helping you out. You're going to have to do it on your own. I think that guy, Charlie Kirk, could have been president at later on in life. He was super fucking intelligent. He was super intelligent, very well spoken. Yeah, once you start getting into the 70s and 80s, I mean, it gets a little rough. The one thing I'll notice on a day like today, the moves just take so long to fucking happen. And you'll get these wicks that will like wick you out, but the move will still happen. Like you might get a wick all the way down and it'll come right back up and then we'll go. Somebody put it on a shirt. What, Merry Easter? My stepmom's got a Merry Easter shirt. It's Biden with bunny ears on and a Christmas tree in the background, and it says Merry Easter. Yo, what the fuck is a kilometer? That's hysterical. Dude, I'm not even going to go into it, but there's somebody on Instagram that makes not work safe t-shirts. And like, listen, they are fucking hysterical. Can I hit the like button on them? No. Can I send them into my friend group? Yes. Will I put them in our Discord? No. Will I share them on the stream? No. But they are fucking amazing. Honestly, the fucking millimeter makes more sense. It's all divided by tens. Like the metric system just makes more sense. Yeah, I can't share my name on it, but it's fucking hysterical. Just search like wild t-shirts. I forget the guy's name. Something on Instagram. The metric system makes more sense. I'm not going to sit here and fucking lie. It's all based on tens. It's super, super easy. Instead, you got fucking inches, you know. And everybody describes inches different. I've seen my friend say 6 inches, but he was more like 3. So people don't know what inches is around here either. Oh, man. But yeah, it's so stupid. I don't understand how we got into ounces and 16 and pound. Like, it just, come on. It was so much easier the other way. Before the pyramids? Bro, how'd they make those pyramids, Chris? Chris, who made those pyramids? Even drug dealers use grams. Is this thing really fucking breaking down? I need to bounce out of this motherfucking. I do not want to close under 395. That would probably ruin my day. See, I watched multiple documentaries on that stuff. It's crazy. They couldn't even do it today if they wanted to.
Order filled.
What? What? You can only buy 11 fucking micros? What? What the fuck is that? I can only buy 11? Yeah, I watch a ton of Ancient Aliens. Dude, I just think it's interesting that you can't make them today, even if you wanted to. But somehow, dudes pulled them with a rope. Somehow, a bunch of dudes pulled those huge stones with a rope 500 miles. Oh, hold on one second. Hold on one second. Here you go. Thanks. How are we going?
You too. Thank you.
I'm back. I'll just move it fucking. Let's see what happens here. I don't think this is going to come all the way down.
Order filled.
I'm not doing this in a funded account, just an FYI.
Order filled.
Are they going to just fucking straight send this down without a bounce? We're not bouncing one bit here. Unfucking believable. I'll reset.
Order filled.
I'll just reset. That's fucking crazy. Oh, that's why I hate this shit. Watch, it's going to bounce here. Tell me you got me out at the bottom. There's not one single bounce the whole fucking way for 70 fucking points on a no volume fucking day. It's a no volume day. We just dropped 70 points and you're not going to have a fucking, oh, here we go. Oh, you little fucking motherfucker.
Order filled.
Oh, these are fucking minis? These are micros? Fuck me, man. I thought I was in minis.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Keep fucking pushing. Keep pushing. I got this one at break even. So if they get me out, they get me out.
Order filled.
Yeah, sometimes it's better to be patient, and sometimes you're patient and you miss it. So if I was playing a funded account, I probably would have played it differently. But I'm trying to pass this fucking Lucid account. I would like to see us come back down to this blue line is what I'd like to see us do. That would kind of make the day. I don't know if we're going to do it. If we start trading up here, I'm going to pull my orders. I'm looking for this little pop to die off, us to come down and retest the bottom orb. It happens. It happens. Well, you know, what are you going to do? Start revenge trading and doing stupid shit? Like, nah. You know, we go over that red line, I'm out on it. As it is, we're starting to get too far for my liking. Somebody's probably revenge trading. I would love to see it reject here and come down. I mean, that'd be a great fucking play, but they might bring it all the way back up to all the way back up. June. Just had to hold it. You know what? And why didn't you just hold? I know. I think about that every day. Every day I say to myself, why didn't I just hold? Life would be so much easier. Why didn't I get in at the bottom and hold? If they could tag up here, I might short this at 421.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm just playing this. I need to get back to minis.
Order filled.
Come on, bring it up to 421. I think the move to me is the rejection off of right here if we can get up. Problem is I have like no fucking drawdown left. This will be it for the account. Come on, tag me in. Tag me in. Tag it. Just tag it. Just do it. Do it. Just do it. Are you not going to fucking do it? Yo, what up, Matt? I've been trying to test pullbacks to see if I can get it in continuations, but the shit always just rolls over. I mean, today's not a good day to be like, to base your strategy on whatever happens today. I mean, today is a low volume holiday day. What's the best Black Friday deal I see? The very best? Fidias is at 90% off.
Order filled.
I'm all in with this account, by the way. Yo, later, AD. Come on. Give me like a 10 points from here.
Order filled.
I'm still in it in another eval, by the way, just for transparency reasons. I took it quick on this account because my drawdown is fucking light. I might get out of it, though. Good discount, but profit target is 4,000. Profit target is 4,000. They also have the drawdown is 2,500 end of day. They give you bigger drawdown and it's end of day. You got to get 10 days of 150. Yeah. I'm still in this. I might get out right here, though. I'm out. But once you pass, Willie, they have the old Apex rules. So all you need to do is get to $2,600 and you can take out $2,000, which doesn't happen on a lot of other firms where you can get to 52,600 and then take out $2,000. They're riding old Apex rules. And it's end of day. I'm not saying to go with them. I'm just giving the whole picture, I guess, of it. So they do something weird. Technically, you could have 15 accounts, but it's 5 of the fundamental, it's 5 of the static, and 5 of the swing. Static accounts are $8. They're 50. They're basically what is it? 500 of drawdown, 1,500 profit target, but it's static. And then they have I don't really mess with the static ones. I usually go with the fundamental 50Ks. I don't, listen, is it the best? No, but I've gotten quite a bit of payouts and you can kind of trade it any way you want. I've never had an issue with them saying, oh, you can't trade this way or that way. Which obviously that means something to me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't have to worry about the rules. It's end of day. Yeah, so their static accounts, if you pass, I got it here. The link is just in here, Matt. Just click there. I think it's like the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's the 7th one down. Just click on there and you'll go. Yeah. I don't know. If you pass them, you get live the next day, and then you could take a payout the next day. They get daily payouts on the static accounts. Yeah, right, Willie? It's like if you pass today, you're live the next day, and if you go past the limit, you basically can withdraw. So the activation is $83 on the static accounts. The last one I did was $129 on the 50Ks. Just think about what it costs to get a funded account. If you pass 1 in 3, I would just do total cost of funded. Like if you pass 1 in 3 of anything, like, what does it cost to get funded? That's the number that you should look at more than anything. Cost of getting funded. That's how I look at all this stuff. 1 in 3, what's my cost of a funded account? And then after that, I look at the rules. What's my thoughts on pro accounts? If you're getting a lot of payouts, they're great accounts because you can ring up a big fucking bill because there's no payout. Their payout cap's like 100K. You know, there's no real rules. It makes sense. But if you're not getting a lot of payouts, then it doesn't make sense to you. And then I would stick to the core accounts. Just keeping it as honest as I can. You know, I think they're good, and I'm 50% off. I think it's great, but it's up to you more than anybody. You know, that's really who it's up, you know. That's how I look at it all. It's every person individually is different. You know, if you hold trades for a big gain, then you should probably do no consistency rules. You know, if you're scalping and you're done at $300 in the day, then consistency rule doesn't matter for you on the funded level because you're never going to go past a 30% consistency rule. You know, I think it all depends on what type of trader you are, and that's what account is going to be the best for you. Right? I mean, that's probably the best answer about any of this stuff is the best account is the best account for the individual person. Like me, I love the core accounts. $100. I hit it for zero consistency. So I get a big trade. And then after I hit it for a big trade, I basically do $100 a day and I take my payout and then I rinse and repeat. You know, somebody's like, oh, well, why don't you get another big trade? I'm like, because I got a payout. Just do it in another account. You know what I'm saying? I mean, if you're not getting a lot of payouts, I would rather buy 3 core accounts than 2 pro accounts. But I think the pro account offers, obviously, things that are good. So I can't believe I got fucking stopped out at the fucking bottom here. Boom, 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 boom. By the way, we're going to start streaming the morning every morning in Discord, by the way. So if you want, come fucking hang out. Boom. I'm just looking at this shit. I think we're going to end up going up here. We're back over. You can only buy 11. Fuck me, man. I'm just looking at something. Yo, what up, BK? Later. Is there a 1250 murder bot? I don't think so. But you never know. Market closes in an hour and 10 minutes, I believe.
Order filled. Order filled.
Man, it'd be so cool to just fucking blast through this.
Order filled.
Just in case we don't blast through. Man, this thing's just fucking going for it. Push it, baby. Keep going. Turn this green. I'm moving my stop up. Out. Outie. Man. Oh. Think we go for another ride? I think we're going up. Waiting for stochastics to kind of cool and then pop a docket up. ES looks like it's going to fucking go for it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, no. Bro, my kids are just fucking fighting. Uh-oh. My wife's going to come in here and be like, yo, kids are fighting. This fucking market, man. Yeah, I need like 8 surf sides right now. Oh, man. Anybody fucking in anything? Come on. Come on. Bro, I got almost no drawdown here. Let's fucking go. Yo, I can't wait to get back on Monday and play some real fucking accounts. Come on. Give me that fucking green dildo candle. What up, Code? Bro, all I hear is my kids fucking screaming about stupid shit. You're working the over good. Dude, I would work as much overtime as you can, man. Bro, it's wild over here.
Order filled.
Just fucking go up. Bro, I don't even know what they're fucking fighting over. You need more kids? Yeah, I need more pulling out.
Order filled.
Come on.
Order filled.
What the fuck was that? ES, look at that double top in. Look at that.
Order filled.
ES is double topping. Watch them pull this all the way fucking down. Do I go for the home run? Come on.
Order filled.
If I had more drawdown, I would fucking let it. Yo, co-family's trained for the UFC. Dude, you got no idea what's going on. It's crazy. It's crazy, crazy. Come on, push it down, man. I'll be honest with you, Steven, if you're working overtime and you want to start investing in stocks, you're never too late to start building, a savings, man. Just start putting it into, ETFs or whatever your financial advisor tells you to put it in. Yo, I heard silver's going bananas. If silver's going bananas, you would think that gold's going to follow, right? I'll be honest with you, gold's probably going to fucking fly. Here you go. You ready?
Order filled. Order filled.
I just bought 2 minis. What do I got to do to pass? It's $10. Oh, they got the daily loss limit on these fucking accounts. Motherfucker. Oh, the daily loss limit on these accounts suck. That's the one bad part about this Lucid shit. Yo, I'm your financial advisor? I am fucking not a financial advisor. I will post my portfolio. But I'm definitely not a financial advisor. But I will say, I am up $5,157 today. I got about another 3 hours of being up, and I got to go to the hospital. Uh-oh, I hear feet running towards my office. Little feet.
Can I build my Corvette?
Go. Come on, gold. Push this shit. See, I like the daily on the NQ. We have broken the downtrend, right? We've definitely have broken the downtrend. It's interesting, but also at the same time, we just bounced 1,500 fucking straight points up. These last 2 bars, well, this bar is obviously on light volume because it's today. Actually, a lot of this is probably light volume. If I brought up volume, only because it's a holiday week, it's probably all light. So I don't really know how much I trust this break, but as long as we close today good, a lot of the puts that I wrote will be worthless, and I can restart on Monday. Is fine with me. I'm just looking at this shit. I'm just rolling some of my fucking contracts. Yo, I'm in the gold long. Gold long. Yo, how do I not have fucking... Yo, this is gold G6. Come on. Come on, gold. Blast one fucking to the moon. You think I could pass this account today? I'm trying to think. Yeah, I mean, it's going to be interesting, Code. It's going to be very interesting. I'm trying to think where I have to get to pass this fucking account. It's $200 a fucking dollar. So this is $2,000 from here. 2,200. Yeah, I think I get up right around here and I pass. All right, let's go see what the NQ is doing. I will say trading is different today than normal. So if you guys are brand new, this is not the normal fucking trading, to be honest with you. Uh-oh. I hear little feet coming towards my office. Yeah, well, it's one contract is $10 a tick. 10 ticks is a dollar a point. Fuck, I just fucked this up. Dude, I'm gonna grab
Order filled. Order filled.
Grab a 2-piece McNugget right here and see how high we can go. I want to take it high every day. I need $100 and something fucking dollars in this one account. Am I doing something with stocks in the background? Always, Steven. Always. What would you like to know? I'm basically rolling my contracts and setting myself up for next week on certain things. So it came out, Michael Burry bought 4. I'm in 4. So I rolled out Actually, I took the calls that I sold off because I think it will continue going. What else did I do? I just sold some APLDs. APLDs got some juice for next week. Sold them. What else did I do? I'm just kind of managing my shit, to be honest with you, because I also have some that are rolling off. So I had Oscar calls that were going to expire today, right at $18, and the stock's trading almost at $18. So I just bought those back and rolled to next week for a $19 call. So I roll out. I should do the same thing with these paths. So I got path calls I just bought back for 3 cents, and I'm going to sell next week's Path has earnings next week. I'm actually not going to sell covered calls until earnings next week. It says December 3rd. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait until Wednesday, or the Wednesday, which is December 3rd. It might run into close. So it's only at like $13 right now. So like, if that shit starts running to like $15, I'll definitely be able to get some juice on that for earnings. I'm doing shit like that. I'm definitely going to get some buying power back after today is done, because a lot of shit will roll off my portfolio. Which is good, though, because I want to take profits. The market just bounced 1,500 points. Like, why wouldn't you take money off? You know what I'm saying? You got to roll SoFi call. Oh, would you sell calls against? So SoFi, they're talking about getting included into the S&P 500. Is it next week or the following week? They're talking about it. So it might run into that S&P 500 inclusion, but I would not. Right before they have the date that they're going to do it, I'm going to write calls to collect the juice off of it. And if it gets included, it gets included. We'll see. We'll see. If Path can get into the 15s before earnings, I'm going to probably write like 16s or 16.5s against it and collect the premium. Man, this fucking market. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Is TPT back to 40%? I'll look right now for you. I will look right now, because if it is, I might grab. It is at 30%. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I hope they go back to 40%. They sat at 40% for so long. You could reset for $100, I think. I think you can reset for $100. Steven, as a beginner, should I be messing with penny stocks? I mean, what do you think the answer to that question is? Yeah, Funded Ticks got some shady shit going on, Zaybak. Did I grab 3 accounts for $38? Yes. Am I going to load the boat? No. You know, I don't fuck with penny stocks. I could tell you that much. Like, there's just... I mean, they're fucking penny stocks for a reason. Very few small cap stocks make it big. Like Nvidia made it big, but like there's a lot that fucking don't. And there's a lot of great stocks that are sub $10 that trade on the NASDAQ that have options on it and things like that. Like you don't need to go like pink sheet stocks. But let me tell you about this company. It's so great. When you call, his mom answers. Arrow Time. It is going to be the next big thing in radar detection. Funding ticks is $38 with code Cove Trader. If you do, I think it's a $50K, $1,000 cap on payout. Yo, let me tell you about this company, Sean. Arrow Time. She's such a sweet lady. Yeah, Drew. She's such a sweet lady. I'll tell you what, for anyone that followed, made some money.
Thank you for your vote of confidence.
And welcome to the Investor Center. That fucking weird guy, he's like, if you sell 10K, I'll blow you. And I really hope you sell 10K. Yeah, Drew. Yo. That happened in Long Island. That's where I live at. I mean, I'm not far from where that all went down. I think it was in Melville. I live not far from where he lived. Let me see where his office was. Oh, it was in Lake Success. I thought it was in I thought it was in Melville. It's in Lake Success. That's crazy. Oh, yeah, I see it. 1979 Marcus Avenue. That's crazy. Here, look, you could see the fucking elevator. You can see the elevator, what they made it look like. I don't know if they filmed it there, but that's what the elevator looked like in the movie. Yo, those are rookie numbers. Yo, shut the fuck up. Yo, I just got this alert. President Trump says U.S. may completely cut income tax due to tariff revenue. Yeah, okay. I don't see that coming. This account is fucking smoke that I'm in, though. So I can't wait to get back to trading normal on fucking Monday. That I will say. It closes at 12:45 today. I thought it was 1:15. I don't see them getting rid of income tax. Yeah, pay off the national debt.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, we're going to ride this shit 20 minutes until close? Why I don't want to end up owning a stock? You mean one that I sell puts on? Most of the stuff I do, I don't mind owning. It might just be because I don't want to carry that much equity in it. Yeah, I think it's 115 today. I'm pretty sure it's 115. Turkey for me, turkey for you. I can eat turkey in my big brown shoe. Oh no. What do you think? We're going to go for the fucking... If I lose, I lose. This account is done. It's got $93 of drawdown, just an FYI. If I lose, if it dies, it dies. This is why I'm not playing funded accounts today, and this is why. Do I like SoFi? I do like SoFi. I've liked SoFi for a long time, Viking. SoFi just added crypto onto their shit also, which is interesting. What up, gold? Yeah. Dude, that's the one thing I like about stocks is you can talk about all different shit about them. It's something different for each one. And a bunch of things going on. Why, when it comes to NQ, it's just kind of like, all right, the majority of the time, like I'm looking for a sweep of an area. Like we take out the lows of overnight and I take that long. What's crazy is that was the bottom of the deck. Dude, my fucking phone. How do people end up losing money in the stocks? The stock goes down. Pretty much. I would say the stock goes down instead of up. That's usually no bueno. Man, this thing is just fucking going back and forth. Whew, going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I do think eventually it fucking dumps on a normal fucking day. On a normal fucking day, it probably dumps, comes back in and dumps, but oh. What's up, Robert? All I know is once I'm done on this stream, my fucking wife is going to have me rip these kids a new one. They've done nothing but fight. Oh my God. Come on. Here we go. I have like no fucking drawdown, so
Order filled.
I don't know if it's going to come back. I don't know.
Order filled.
Done. Smoked. I only had $93 of drawdown, so I still think it goes. Oh, fuck, man. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. This one's hanging out in fucking gold. Gold looks like it's going to go. See, you're getting the retest, and then you're probably going to freaking dumpski down.
Order filled.
I'll take one. Take one. Bring on the Ducks. I will bring on the Ducks. I will bring them out, bring them out, bring them out. Why does it look like I'm shorting? I'm on NQ. I'm shorting NQ right here. Fucking things not moving. Things just going back and forth. Come on, get down in this zone. Let me get to break even. Not gonna lie, trading this is. I think those My Fun View Pro accounts are as good as TPT accounts, even with 50% off. They're both zero consistency. I don't know. Well, I'm just trying to think. I never really thought about it. So the price right now is about the same. Both zero consistency. Yo, gold just fucking popped. I don't know. What would make one better than the other? I guess TPT, because if you go live, you can still have 5 accounts. I'm at break even here. Yeah, 14 days to pay out. Yeah. Yo, gold is pushing. Yeah, the thing is, I think you could trade like one trade, and that's like it's not like it's like a weird thing. I got stopped out. I'm still in gold. Funder, what the fuck is Funder's Pros? If you use a company called Funder Pros, if you want to feel like how it is to lose money there, I just come over. I'll kick you in the nuts. It's the same thing, and you could save your fucking money. Funder Pros. I don't even know what a Funder Pro is. It's probably the same people that fucking promote Prop Shop and all those other fucking firms. I'll be honest with you. These new fucking firms come out and people can't wait to use them because they think trying a new firm is going to all of a sudden magically make them a better trader. Like, that's not how it works by any means. I think people should realize that. Changing firms isn't going to make you profitable. People should ask more about strategy than firms. You know, everybody's always like, oh, if I use this prop firm that just came out today, what do you think about that? Like, why would I use something that just came out today? Why? Makes no sense. I stick to where who's been paying me. You know, if you're not getting paid, I get it. If the rules suck or somebody changes rules, sales, but like I wouldn't go to a new prop firm because of sales. I mean, it's got to be a good fucking sale for me to use them. Like something that I'm like, I don't care if I lose the $100 in 5 accounts that they're giving me. Gold's pushing. Gold is fucking pushing. Everybody deserves a chance. I like to know I'm getting paid. I like to know that the rules aren't going to change retroactively. I feel like gold's just going to put in a fucking massive dildo candle. I have 6 minutes to get out of my... What happens if I don't get out?
Order filled.
I'm pretty sure you can trade past 12:45. Is it just Lucid? Sean, is it just Lucid? But you could trade past 12:45. I'm almost positive you could trade way past 12 until 1:15. Oh, that's Lucid? I'm looking to see what some of these other ones are. Oh, I'm just fucking scrolling. I got a ton of shit, I should say. I wonder what like Fidias is. I guess we'll see, right? I'll bring it up. I'll fucking load up Quant Tower here. If I blow the account, it's only fucking... Yeah, they got an activation fee. I mean, the accounts are fucking. Some of them are $8. They have to have an activation fee. I'm in an Elite Trader funding account in gold. I paid $129 the other day, and then somebody said $149, and now Austin says $139. So it's somewhere between $129 and $149. I'll let you know, though, because I plan on passing a bunch on Monday. But the deal is over today, but I plan on passing a bunch on Monday. Yo, good thing I got out of gold here. Elite still in gold, though. I had to stay in. All right, let's see what we got here. Let me open up an account that I fucking... $166. We'll go 166. Boom. The show goes on. The show goes on. The Federal Reserve is scheduled to release its balance sheet today, hopefully after my options expire and I collect my fucking premium. All right, just for the record, I'm in 8 minis for gold right now. Anybody, I should bring this on that fucking our screen over here. Hold on. We're going to bring this on this. I'm in 8 minis on gold. Let's see what happens. Only 8 minis. I went light. I kept it light. Can we pass? Can we pass before they fucking shut the account off? Or they auto sell? What is the new set of contracts? What, for gold? GC6. Yeah, I don't know why it's not showing me my, because I'm not, here we go. There you go. 8. Hold on. I'll move my cam so you can see it real quick. 8 minis. By the way, hit that little bell button down here. You'll get notified when I go live. NQ. Looks like it's going down. NQ looks like it's going down. It's bouncing off the WAP. You got a nice WAP bounce. Oh no, gold. Turn around. Turn around. Give me. Watch them fucking. No, just WAP. Yo, you know what's so funny is people say VWAP like that. You know, do you guys know where it actually came from? Do you know where it actually came from? It's funny because a bunch of people say it now, and I wonder if they know, like, countries with zero income tax today. Easy on the WAP talk. No. So like this, we started talking about it over a year ago, probably a year and a half ago. Fucking how it really comes from how Patrick says VWAP. How Patrick says VWAP is like VWAP. Like you just got to listen to him one time. It's fucking, and we started making fun of him, and now people actually say it like that, and they don't even realize like where it came from. The VWAP. Oh, just fucking blow this up the last 13 minutes for me. Can I trade fucking gold in here? I can trade gold in here. I just don't know where I got it. Oh, where the fuck is GC not even fucking in here for Fidias? Get the fuck out of here. Oh my God. Dude, they don't have gold. I gotta like load it up or something. Woo-hoo-hoo! I figured I had to ask for it or something like that. That's how my funded futures is also. You got to ask on my funded futures. Hey, Grove, thanks for always answering my dumbass questions. There's no dumb questions. Yeah, man. I mean, that's why I did this. It's cool to hang out and help other people, man. I wonder if they have a consistency rule on elite trader funding. I actually don't even know. Oh, it doesn't apply to evals. Yeah. Okay. This is definitely trailing drawdown. Come on.
Order filled.
Just sprinkle a couple more on there. I mean, why the fuck not, right? Just a little woo. I don't even know where I got to get to pass. I guess $10. Actually, I probably don't even need this much. I think right around here I pass. Because right now it's about $2,000. It's $1,000 a number. Yeah, I probably pass somewhere around right here. Let's go, fucking gold. You got like 9 minutes to get your ass up. I need to pass this right the fuck now. Come on. Don't make me look bad in front of all the new people on the stream. All right, let me do the math. It's $2,000 a dollar. Yeah, I think I need to get to like right around here. Come on, baby. Push it. By the way, if you're new, come say what's up. We want to hear from you. Also, if you want to join the giveaway, be sure to smash the subscribe button. Might be here a while for that TP, Willie. Time will tell. I need 8 minutes. I wonder what time I got to fucking... I'm looking. I don't even see that they fucking sent me something. Come on, 7 more bucks. Let's be trade to what? 12.59, KD? Damn, NQ just fucking popped. NQ popped. You're shut down already? Come on. The show goes on. Come on, man. Pump it. Pump it. I need a pump. New Lucid accounts come out at 3 p.m. today. Code Cove Trader saves you money. I'm probably going to grab a couple. Push. Come on. Killed it on Lucid. I like Lucid. I like the new plans coming out. Gold, don't you fuck me. See, my drawdown's getting fucked. Look at my drawdown. This is why I'm not. Well, you can't play size. You can't play size with a trailing drawdown. You kind of get fucked, to be honest with you. Dude, it just dropped and came right back. I don't think I'm going to pass this account. I don't think I'm going to get... I don't know about this. I'm not fucking selling until I got to get out, though, so... Doing it for the stream! Yo, personal account's up $5,470. What a fucking day. Yo, NQ's pumping. Fidias is letting you trade till the end of the day. I just fucking grabbed 10 minis in a Fidias account. Two fucking thousand. Yo, I'm just crushing these fucking evals. Yo, here, I'll do it again. I got a new one now. Hold on. Where is it headed? To the fucking moon. Keep going. Can't lose. I can't lose. Holy shit. All right, I'm going to get out of this one too. Look, $3,500.
Order
Yoing,
filled.
yoing, 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 yoing. Bro. I had fun with some evals. These are all evals, by the way. I definitely had some fun on evals. This shit was crazy too. What's my draw? I still got draw. Yo, my drawdown's high though. Look at that. $4,000. 4,700 bucks. Dude, this was good. I was doing, yo, I got out at the top on NQ. Oh, shit. Yo, it just dropped fucking 20 points. It would have smoked me out. Yeah, that was wild. I think you can keep trading. Can I keep trading? So I think the options market closed. I think the options market closed and future stays open for 15 more minutes. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the options market is done. Yeah. That's wild. Dude. Try to execute one micro.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Yo, smash the fucking confetti. Smash the confetti. Yo. Yo, baby. This shit's wild. Oh, man. Dude, that was funny. That was fucking funny. I mean, we're probably going to drop here. I mean, you just hit a, a massive, a big whole number, and you just ran fucking 100 points. You want it?
We did it. We did it, Joe.
Oh, man. Shit's wild. What do you think? We go down?
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
I was trying
Order
to get
filled.
I thought it was going to blow past the 9. Lucid said they were closing at that time. I mean, technically, the closing starts at 1:15. 1:15 this closes at. Yo, don't even do it in a funded account. I'm having fun right now, KD. Like, I'm playing a couple micros on a freaking 150K account. Like, where I'm just having fun. It's funny at the same time. I mean, I'm making some money, and it's funny. I had a great fucking day today. Plus, all my options are going to expire, so it's all locked in profit. Like, I am loving what happened today. I mean, we broke the downtrend.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see what happens. How are they not going to backfill this 100-point move in 10 minutes, by the way? So this is a 100-point move in 10 minutes on a holiday session. I think they're going to backfill this move in the next. I just feel like it needs to get backfilled. It's either going to get backfilled somewhat now, or when it opens on Monday, they're going to backfill it. Just watch them retest 400 at open on Monday or Sunday night, I should say. Sunday night when we open, watch them come down to 25,400. That's going to be my buy spot. That's my personal buy spot on Sunday at open. If it dips down and fills this fucking, we went up on basically no volume. If you really think about it, like this is, nobody's really sitting here buying this shit. So that was like a very weak type of move. And that's why I think we're going to backfill it. I'm not just doing it because I'm like, oh, like that's my true reasoning behind it. Is we're going to fill this move on Sunday open. Within the first 15 minutes to half hour, we fill this. I'd like to see some of it fill now, but I don't know if it's going to happen. I'm just talking out my thesis to you guys in case I'm not around on Sunday or you're not in the Discord or whatever. You at least have my thought process on it, I guess. Right? I might jump out. I want to see if I want to see if they give it up is really what I want. I need a fucking red candle here that goes under like 72 and we break this. See how like you have these wicks right here? If we can break that, they'll fucking send this. Come on. The old zombie rally. I mean, that's pretty much what happened. It's like, you're not telling me like people are out here buying the last 10 minutes of of Black Friday holiday action. Like it's going to get backfilled. I was hoping it would now, but it's not going to. I'm going to get fucked. I refuse to sell, but I feel like it's going to happen at open on Sunday. The smart thing would be for me to get out right now and just take a small loss, right? Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Dump it for Diddy. In the next few weeks? My thesis is gone in weeks. My thesis is Sunday within the first hour of open.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
I'm out.
Order filled.
Yeah, I mean, something that happens over weeks. Does it have to happen? No. It's just that's my thesis. If it doesn't happen within the first half hour, then my thesis is null and voided. But I'm gonna put buys down here at Sunday Open, and if we come and open and come down there, I will take it. Oh, look at this shit. Oh, man, I want to fucking slam it too. Who are you trying to trade with, Boogie? Whoever you're trying to trade with is done. They're not allowing trading past a certain time is the problem. That's the issue. Not everybody can trade right now. Yeah, Tradeify may not allow you to trade right now. So you just got to roll with whoever has it. The market closes in 1 minute, Boogie. I mean, who's placing a trade with 1 minute left? Who needs to place a trade with 1 minute left? You know what I'm saying? Nobody needs to trade the last minute.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, guys. What are we doing here? Yo,
Order filled.
$195 real quick. Yo. Good fucking trade. Good end of day trade, guys. We got it. Oh, man. That shit's fucking awesome. Yeah, you gotta be on one of the firms that allow it. Oh, geez. That was awesome. What is Lucid Flex event? Oh, when? 3 p.m. Be sure to use code CoveTrader at 3 p.m. I'm actually gonna get a couple of those things. All right, let me light up the ducks. Anybody got questions? Now's a good time to ask. As he's trading the last 1 minute. Bro, I traded to the last 10 seconds, Boogie. Why not? Why not? You know what I'm saying? This is a great time to ask questions, though. I don't even know where my fucking... Dude, where did my... Oh, here you go. I shouldn't have sold gold, man. They made me, though. Anybody got questions? See, this is the daily. What happened to the competition? What competition? What's the best broker for scalping gold 1K a day? Like futures broker? You can use AMP, Ninja AMP. Tasty allows you to do, Tasty trade. What was that your drift trade? It was not, Willie. It was not. Not today. Holy shit. Oh. Dude, I've been giving away knowledge all day. Have you been in here? Giving away knowledge all day. Oh, man. Is learning ICT a waste of time in your opinion? Honestly, I don't think it is. I think there's some really good aspects of it. I use fair value gaps all the time. I use order blocks. I mean, you could see it on my screen. Fair value gaps, order blocks. You know, like they just call it like the unicorn, like or stuff like that. Like for the most part, you're using fair value gaps and order blocks. Taking out liquidity. It's not something that he created. It's repackaged. Like people have used it in the past. It's not like he created it. An order block, is support. Like, the thing is drawn. It's just the last candle on the way down before you go up. Like, this is just support. It's not anything fucking, it's just repackaged, worded a different way for people to learn. If you go to break this area, this order block, now you got a breaker block. You broke it, you came back, you retested it, and then you went. It's not a, like we were trading today. I'll show you. Because I used it. Oh man, it probably zoomed. It probably got it out. I forget. It's all draw. It's the thing redid it. Oh, thinking about watching and studying. I would be studying all types of stuff, Boogie. I have a ton of videos on different things. My favorite entry model is literally taking out the lows of the session or Asia lows or London lows and coming back up and entering on a 30-second or 1 minute fair value gap. An example of that today, I know the CME data was fucked up, but so the low of the session was right here, right? So when we took out the lows here, and I'll show you. So when we took out the lows of the session, I am then looking for a fair value gap to come up. See how you have an inversion right here? I took this inversion up. What, dude? Hold on. Oh. What? Yeah, after I'm done. I can. Relax. So I use these scripts to just show me so I don't have to eyeball anything. And that was literally the low of the day today. I scalped it personally, but that was the low of the day. Yeah, I'm looking. That's my favorite. They have all these different things where, turtle soup and I would say I would stick to this. People call it the inversion model or whatever. And this is very similar to the unicorn. The other thing that I use on this, the concept is on this. I'll show you. So I play a lot of this. Did it even happen today? Well, it didn't even fucking happen. Well, it happened up here. So this is a 15-minute orb. I love when we sweep the 15-minute orb and then come back through. If I go to look at other days, does it draw it out? Yeah, it draws it out. A lot of the times, you come down, you could sweep back in, and it's the bottom of the day. I took this the other day, we swept out, and I took this to the downside. Typically, I always take the first one. I don't always take the second and third ones. You know, I just like bounces. To me, the ball bounces the greatest. The first time it hits the floor is the biggest bounce. So the first sweep to me and then back through, I take. I actually back tested this in an old video I got. You know, like, look, right here, 15-minute orb is made. It sweeps it down and it comes back through. And then you got it. Am I going to play this and all this again? No. Is it going to keep drawing it for me, or it's fucking done? No. You know, same thing. First sweep above, you can come back through. And this doesn't look like much, but, you know, 723, it's like fucking 50 points. I use the first 15 minutes and the first 60. I like when it sweeps and comes back, because you're basically sweeping the liquidity of like, I guess, the open or the first 15 minutes, and I can usually scalp it. Now, there's other strategies that people play on all this shit. Like, there's so many different ways of playing it. I'm looking for the scalp back in. Does it work every single day? No. So here's the first 15 minutes. That's the first hour. So what is this? The first 15 minutes is right here. You literally sweep it here and you come back through. I mean, it's fucking as clear as day. Sweep it, come back through. Actually, this is the first one. You swept up here and it came back through all the way down. Some people like that, where they play the whole way. Maria's got something that she plays with the 15-minute orb. You'd have to, not Maria, Marie. I play a lot of just the first sweep outside when it comes back through. So I have different plays. Like, I play the first 15 seconds of the day. I play the momentum up or the momentum down. Then I sit, I wait for the first 15 minutes to be made, and then I'll play again. Sometimes I'll chase a momentum, like, for, 5 minutes out the gate, the thing's running or whatever, whatever it may be. Or if we dump really fucking hard, I'll play. But I'm just saying, without counting that in, I play the first 15, 30 seconds of the market every day. And then I'll play these sweeps outside back through. Because even if you're wrong, like, argument's sake, say, like, if you look at this day that we just passed, you could be wrong and still right. Like, look, I played it back through and it drops 40 or so points, but continues up. This is obviously an uptrend, but when it comes back through, I play it. And I move my stop to break even, and I let it move. And then, you could take it off whenever you want. But that's what I look for. So as much as I fuck around on here and we'll talk shit and whatever, like, I back tested all this shit. I've gotten, this month alone, I've gotten 16 prop firm payouts. That's not from luck. It's not from me just fucking YOLOing. If you're just going to YOLO and do stupid shit, you're probably not going to be getting consistent payouts. So to me, I back test all this shit, and that's it, That's the way to go about this thing. Honestly, the way to go about this thing is to be back testing, and really, really doing that. You shouldn't just be fucking guessing. You shouldn't say, oh, this looks kind of good or whatever it may be. You should really be paying attention and get the numbers down. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to light up these ducks. We're going to run. Yo, it's Friday, by the way. So we got Ball Sack Fridays. By the way, if you're new, we do account giveaways every single day. You got to be subscribed to the channel though to win. So we're gonna run some duck races, and the winners will compete for a account. Yeah, but Boogie, I'm always around, man. You should freaking ask questions anytime, man. That's honestly what I enjoy helping people out, man. So like the more questions somebody asks, the faster you're gonna get to where you need to be. You know what I'm saying? You should just ask. Yo, be in the Discord. I'll be honest with you. We're streaming live the Discord every single we're streaming the open in the Discord, and it's usually me, Sean, BK, Marie, and we're all on voice. That is a great fucking time because you're not only hearing me, you're hearing 4 traders at once discuss what they're looking at for the open and for the first 45 minutes, hour of the market. You know, it's definitely valuable. Yo, is this guy that just won in here or not? Well, you didn't win. You didn't win yet, but you're in the ball sack. How's that sound? I got to check to see if you're subscribed to the channel. If you're not subscribed, you can't win. True story. Let's see what we got. Boom. Quack, quack, motherfuckers. Let's go. Proud. The ball sack race is where it's at. Boom, 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 boom. If you don't know what the ball sack race is, you got to look up South Park Big Balls, and then you could see the resemblance of the race. No lag today. That's because I reset my computer. I think there's something on my computer that's causing it, to be honest with you. I don't know what's causing it. I think it's too many trading programs, to be honest with you. I run Ninja Trader, Quant Tower. I'm streaming. I got 5 tabs of TradingView open. I got Tradeivate open. I'm going to switch to OBS. Honestly, I'm going to switch to OBS. I'm going to test my OBS tomorrow on the on my other channel just to see how it works. And you could ask me stock or options related shit, whatever you want. I'll be on there for like a Q&A if you want to hang out. But that's where I'm going to test my my thing. Damn. Better start getting fucking bouncing. MDC, Cove, I'm 7 months in my trading journey, taking consistent payouts in August till October. And since then, I'm in a rut. Well, you got to look back. What got you? What'd you do during August, September, and October? Yosef, bouncing on that thing. Oh, shit. Percent. Look at you ride that blue ball. Shoot me an email. Yeah, shoot me an email. I would look to see what you change. Are you sizing up now? Are you playing smaller? Are you taking more trades? Are you taking less trades? They have a thing in here. It's not this. You go look at your reports. And you could see all your shit. You know? Look at this account. 12 trades, 100% win rate. $12 trades, no losers. And this was random, by the way. I'm going to check all my emails this weekend. But yeah. So I would check your reports and see maybe if you were doing things differently beforehand. You got to look into it because I know sometimes you start winning. Yeah, I win 100% of my random trades. Bro, I don't know how. I just pulled this up randomly. It's like 12 trades, fucking no losers. I don't even know. Gold is probably still trading. If you have like I'll see on my live account right now. Hold on one second. Yeah, I could trade gold right now if I want to trade gold in Tasty Trade. Yeah, I would check your data. Are you winning longs, shorts? Yo, later, Cash. I would check into your trading and see what's going on. By the way, if you're new and you want to come hang out, this shit's free. In the Discord's free. This is where we're going to be streaming live every day. I'll drop the link in here for everybody. Don't spam. Don't be a dick. There's the link to the Discord. It's free. That's where we stream the morning every morning. Nah, I'll email you. Gold trades probably not going to close down until the normal time. As Black Friday deals roll out, I will post them here. Lucid is open at 3 p.m. And then that's pretty much it, guys. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. You can watch me trade for reals on Monday and learn. Get some payouts and shit. Yeah. Not this algoing holiday trading, but some real trades. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy your weekends. Make some memories with your friends and family. You know, I appreciate everybody in here today. And I'll probably hang out in the Discord over the weekend if you got any questions. When's poker? We just did poker a bunch of nights. I'll do poker again soon. I got to find a night that my wife is out because that's what allows me to do it easily. But we've done poker a couple times already. I don't know. I'll see. Let me see what's going on. But other than that, everybody, enjoy your day. I guess I got to end it like this, right? I mean, I got to pull it out.
I'm a train that can spinning the wheel, chasing the charts for the ultimate deal. It doesn't burn no fire in me, only numbers like
Enjoy.
my ecstasy. Do not come, do not come. I'm gonna come when the market runs. Billions and billions stack the sum. Life's a race and I've already won. Dark races running with coupon codes. Cover traders
Yeah, normal cold trading.
Fortunes flip on a dime. They say I double down and live for today. Do not come, do not come. I'm gonna come when the market runs. Billions and billions stack the sum. Life's a race and I've already won.
Hey.